conceptual perspective to things. People talk about a desire to be successful, all of the elements. Hello, everybody. Dr. Rick Wallace dropping in on you. From Team Wallace, we want to wish everybody out there who has made the sacrifice of becoming a mother. And those sacrifices are multitudinous, too many to even attempt to get into and mention. You are exceptional, you are extraordinary, you are phenomenal. I want to wish every one of you, no matter where you're at in your walk, no matter where you're at in your journey, no matter what you see in front of you, I want you to take today as a time to reflect on the energy, the effort, the sacrifices, and the commitment that you have given to rearing children, little people, and preparing them to be great adults. My heart goes out to you. I could never imagine in its full magnitude what mothers do. I've never been one, will never be one, but I know the sense of gratitude I have to my mom. May she rest in peace. Was my biological great grandmother, but adopted me at a very early age, and her and my great grandfather reared me, and the love that that woman had for me is unbelievable. And to my mother, my biological mother, I absolutely love you. I don't know if anybody will show you this, but you brought me into this world, and there's absolutely nothing that can change that. And I love you. To those of you like myself who lost your moms, you know, whether it's been recent or whether it's been some time, you know that while you become more able to cope, that old adage that time heals all wounds isn't true. If you know, like I know. But what we do know is because of what they gave us, we are capable of doing things in this world and making our imprint in this world. They may not be physically present, but they're not gone. They're in your thoughts. They're in your behaviors. They're in your expectations. They're in your aspirations of things that you want to do. They are the confidence planted as a seed years ago. They are not gone. We're living out the rest of their identity in this world by how we carry ourselves. You know, just listen sometimes, just sit back and listen to some of the things you say to your kids. They're not gone. It's in those words, it's in those thoughts, it's in those behaviors. And celebrate them no matter what the case. I know that it can be sort of melancholy and sometimes a little overwhelming, you know, and you make the trip to the cemetery and all of that stuff. But look, one of the things I'm happy about with Marion lost her mom in 2015. And the one thing I'm happy about this year is this is the year she chose that she's going to celebrate her mom. She's been mourning her mom, and rightfully so, but she's going to celebrate her mom. She's going to celebrate what her mom was able to give her and what they were able to share. And she's going to embody the aspirations and expectations of what was never able to be accomplished because she left so soon. And she's going to pour that out, not only into our children, but into all of the babies out there that she can touch. And that's the power that mothers bring. Women are unique and special. And brothers, don't feel some kind of way on this day because, you know, it always seems moms get, you know, mothers get these unbelievable gifts and get all this attention. And we get the socks and the ties and all of that and stuff. But see, that's part of actually who we are as men. We get our fulfillment in actually carrying out our responsibility. Nothing can replace the feeling you get when you know you're handling your business with your family. That day doesn't mean anything, but there's something about celebrating the majesty of our women that it doesn't bother me that they get the bigger ups on their day, because that's not why I'm here in the first place. I know what my mom did for me when I was a little boy and trying to figure out who I was. I know the words she spoke into me as seeds that she planted in me that took root, that gave me the confidence to go out and do things that nobody in my community had done. That is what I'm trying to get you to see, is that it's not the big things you see now, it's the small things that mothers do that have the longevity that take you far into life. You know, it's not what she bought you on Christmas or your birthday. It's the little talk she had with you when you came home from school feeling a little down and a little frustrated, and the times when you had your first little breakup and you didn't know how to handle it, and she had the right words, those seeds. And then it was the way she expressed her love to her family. This is a special day. To all of you mothers, love on your mothers, keep being mothers. We've got to raise a generation of a new generation of even more powerful and explosive, impactful mothers. And so we're going to take what our mothers gave us and we're going to pour it into the women of today, and we're going to pour it into the children of today, and we are going to do something powerful and impactful. Love on everybody. Love on everybody. If you got your mom, love on her. Put the pettiness aside, put the bitterness aside, put the past in perspective, and love on your mother, because every day is an opportunity to embrace the love and the opportunity of relationship in the most unique way possible. And it's not promised. So embrace it. That's all I have to say. I just wanted to stop by and wish everybody who has brought a child into the world, and not just those who have physically brought children in the world. There are some women who have not been able to have kids, or have and decided to take other kids under their wings, either through legal adoption or spiritual adoption, emotional adoption, and you have made unbelievable impact in the lives of people you touched that didn't come out of your womb. You're appreciated too. We need more people like you. We need people who can feel outside of their immediate periphery and touch lives. I celebrate every last one of you. You have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. Love on everybody. I'm gonna deal with this big brood that we have. We ride deep around here. Kids and grandkids. I'm gonna love on everybody. Love on all the women. Talk noise to my daughters. But I'm gonna have a ball today, because life is short, and when you have a chance to look at something you've created and you see it, I'm gonna celebrate all my daughters that have born children. Love you. And I've got to go. You guys have an unbelievable day. I'll probably be back a little later on with something else, but I wanted that to be the first thing that I did as far as a video is concerned today, is I wanted to do that. Have an awesome day. We'll talk soon.
Hello, everybody. Dr. Rick Wallace here, dropping in with a little special announcement. For those who have followed me for any stretch of time, you know, outside of the businesses that I run, like Myriad Business Solutions, the Visionetics Institute, Odyssey Media Group, I also do a great deal of work inside of the inner city communities in Houston, Dallas, and other areas. I'm asking now, as we push a fundraiser, that you support what the Odyssey Project is doing in the inner cities, especially with programs like Black Men Lead, which is a rite of passage initiative, and Restoring Ghetto's Forgotten Daughters, which is a program focused on helping young girls, but boys as well, suffering from childhood sexual abuse, rape, molestation, domestic abuse, absentee fatherhood, and so many other things. The information will be in the box. Thank you.